Before installing a ductless mini-split, the most important question isn't where the unit will fit, it's whether the system will actually solve the comfort problem in that space. Getting that answer right starts before anyone touches a wall. Start with the room itself. Square footage matters, but a square foot chart alone won't give you an accurate recommendation. Ceiling height, insulation quality, sun exposure through windows, how many doors the room has, and how the space is actually used: a home gym, a bedroom, a workshop, all change the sizing conversation. A room that looks simple on paper can have real variables that affect which unit is right. Indoor unit placement is one of the decisions that most affects how the system performs day to day. The wall-mounted unit needs adequate clearance to move air across the room, and its height and position on the wall determine where that air goes. A unit placed too close to a corner, too low on a wall, or blocked by furniture or a ceiling fan can condition the area right around it without ever reaching the parts of the room you care about most. The outdoor unit needs as much thought as the indoor unit. It should sit on a stable, level surface with enough clearance on all sides for airflow and future service access. The routing from the outdoor call unit to the indoor unit for refrigerant lines, electrical wiring, and the condensate drain needs a path that is practical, protected, and as short as reasonably possible. A longer or more complicated line set can affect both installation cost and system performance. Electrical requirements should be confirmed before any equipment is ordered. Most ductless systems require a dedicated circuit, typically 240V, with the right amperage, a proper disconnect at the outdoor unit, and enough capacity at the main panel. If the panel is already near capacity or the right circuit doesn't exist, that's an electrical upgrade that needs to be factored into the plan before installation day. This is also why professional installation matters, and not just for compliance reasons. Refrigerant connections require EPA-certified handling and specialized equipment. Electrical work on a dedicated circuit needs to be done correctly and to code. Drainage needs to be pitched properly so condensate doesn't back up. And startup checks confirm that the system is charged, operating within spec, and communicating correctly between the indoor and outdoor units. These aren't steps that can be skipped or approximated. A good installation plan covers all of it together: sizing for the specific room, indoor unit placement for effective airflow, outdoor unit location for stability and access, line set routing that works with the building, electrical capacity and wiring, drainage, and a clear picture of how the system will be used day to day. When those pieces come together before installation starts, the job goes smoothly and the system performs the way it's supposed to. If you're planning a ductless mini-split installation, or just starting to figure out whether it's the right fit for the space, Pristine Air Heating and Cooling can help. Give us a call or schedule a site review. We'll look at the room, walk through the planning considerations with you, and provide a written estimate before any work or equipment decisions are made.